Hello folks, today we're going to show you some more parts that we added to this Hi-Point 995TS carbine rifle, including some more parts from Longshot manufacturing. Let's get started. Alright folks, so the products that we're going to be installing today that I wanted to show you from Longshot, one of them being the barrel shroud. This one is a straight up and down vented barrel shroud, and it has a Picatinny rail on it, and as you can see it has a notch on the end, and what that notch is intended for, as you can see on the bottom of the fore end right in the front, there's a hole here, and they designed this Picatinny rail with that little notch to go inside there, so then the whatever you mount here, whether it be a light, laser sight or whatever, won't rock back and forth and come loose. It'll stay locked in there, and then whatever you mount on here should stay true as far as zero goes. We're also going to be putting on this 6-inch aluminum rail on the bottom of the fore end here, and then we're also going to show you again the mini brake from Longshot. This is approximately 7/8 inch long. You can also see a video to this one that we did previously on their mini brakes as well. So to get this Picatinny rail inside of here, we are going to have to take the plastic part of this whole stock here, the fore end. We're gonna have to take that apart, and it'll split open. That'll allow us to insert that. So we're gonna go ahead, get that done, and then when we come back, you're gonna see the finished rifle. We're going to be doing another video of all the different add-ons we did to it, from the red dot sight to these Magpul flip-up sights. You can see in other videos of the extended bolt handle, the extended mag release. We have done videos on this. We're going to be doing some more videos on it, so stay tuned for those. So we're going to get this stuff put on, and then we'll be right back. All right, folks, well, let's take a look at our finished rifle. We'll start out with the Longshot parts first, and then I will get into the other items that we added to this. So originally we had stuck this 14-inch brushed aluminum rail, top rail, on there. We put that on. We put our extended bolt handle, our extended mag release, our bumpers for the magazine bumpers. I really like those. Those are nice. We stuck a 6-inch bottom rail here on the bottom, and that is aluminum. We have their straight vented barrel shroud. That one here is 4 3/4 long as I measure. We got the 7/8 inch long mini brake, muzzle brake. And then this barrel shroud also comes with this aluminum Picatinny rail. So we went from plastic weaver rails, which is kind of a bear to get accessories on, just the way the holes line up. It can be done, but you really got to persuade them on. Especially like this vertical grip I got off of Amazon. When I had the plastic weaver rail, I had to kind of tap that on with a hammer to get it to line up with the screw and the slots on that weaver rail. But with these aluminum Picatinny rails, it's just the same as the AR-15. Accessories go on really well. So I'm very happy now having this rifle complete with aluminum rails. Some of the other accessories that we added to this real quickly, I added this light on here that I got off of Amazon. It's just kind of a generic rail light. The part number's right here on the bottom, as you can see. There's a review on this light that somebody did on YouTube, so I'm not going to do one. But what I can say is they are nice, they are convenient, and I did add some of those to some of our handguns as well, and one of our ARs. We got this vertical grip, hand grip right here. That also came off of Amazon. We have this red dot. I'll show you that box as well, right here. That one, there is also a review on YouTube, and the guy did a torture test with this, and it still stayed true, still stayed 0. So I bought a few of them, and we got some on our AR-15s. We got it here, and I really like those. I tested them for myself before mentioning it. Otherwise, I wouldn't mention it if I figured it was junk. What I did is I also, this rail, or this Picatinny riser mount by UTG, I used that so it could coincide with our Magpul flip-up sights here. So now these coincide through there, and then I can use one or the other. So this is the completed rifle, folks. I really like how this turned out. So will we do some more videos with our other stock one? It's very possible. It's, if we can keep parts coming for it and things like that, we may start in on that one. But I really like how this rifle turned out from stock. Go to Longshot Manufacturing. We're going to put their link below. Use coupon code Patriot72. That's going to get you 10% off all of your products through Longshot. I also will include my email below in the description. That way you can email me with longer questions or lengthy questions. I do look at my comments. I do answer everybody the best I can. So if you have a reply, a comment, a question, please feel free to do that. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the thumbs up. We're here to help you. So again, if there's any questions you have about this, please email us. We're very glad to reply back to you. We've gotten emails in the past, and we've replied to each and every one of them. So I really appreciate you guys watching this. I appreciate your comments, because then it helps me to keep on helping others. So I'm going to do a quick pan of this completed rifle. In the meantime, folks, God bless America, and God bless the Republic. Take care.